Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Lolade, and for today's video I'll be taking you guys along with me on a 2-week journey on how I take care of my hair. Today kind of serves as day 1 for this video. Yesterday I finished doing my fluffy mini twist. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. I'll link it right up here for you guys to check out. So with that being said, let's get started. So I wrapped my hair up in this scarf. Wow, I love it. I love it. So this is my hair immediately the next day. When I go to sleep, I want to start wrapping my hair back instead of up because I'm not wearing my hair up as a hairdo, even though this is cute. But I feel like I want to have my hair down because my hair mainly is going to be down majority of the day. This is beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is so nice. Oh wow. So in the first video that I did for this Rosemary challenge, linked it here, I mentioned that I'm gonna be putting rosemary water in my hair every single day, my hair and scalp. So I'm gonna do that just to like refresh my hair, to get these hairs that are kind of sticking up in the back to kind of fall down. So I'm gonna just do it lightly. Let me just do that now. And the reason why I wanted to do mini twist is because I wanted to get access to my scalp. I really don't want to do too much at all. I do not want these mini twists to shrink up so much, right? I just want to get some movement in there, just allow my hair to fall as well. You can already see just with a little bit of that rosemary water, my hair is now falling down, you know? Ooh, I love these. Oh, these are so cute. No. Hold on, fluffy mini twist, low manipulation, low tension, texture. I love this. This kind of looks like locks a little bit. Oh my, I love this. I love this. This is my new it style. This is the style for me. It is. It is. From now on, this is it. This whole process of doing this probably took me 2.5 hours. And you can do so much styles with this. I'm excited. I'm excited. But anyway, this is day 1, y'all. This is all I'm gonna do for today. Spritz it with my rosemary water and that's it. And I could really just do my edges as well, but I'm gonna just let it be, you know. Sometimes let's let our edges be. Let's let our edges breathe, you know. I love this. 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 Oh! I love my texture. I love my curls. It's so beautiful. And it looks healthy too. The color is rich, black. Oh. Yes. Yes. Hey guys, this is Saturday. Like I showed you guys in my regimen, today I'll be catering to my scalp, a little scalp care with some rosemary grease. This time I wrap my hair down. All I do is just shake my mini twist and it kind of just falls down. In my regimen, I mentioned that I spritz my hair with rosemary water every single day. What I'm doing now, I don't really want to like drench it too much. I make sure to get my scalp I have no clue how I'm gonna style my hair today, but before we do styling, let's get into the scalp care. The consistency is very smooth, very soft. I'm just gonna apply that to my fingertips and kind of just pat around my scalp. Get my myself a nice massage as well. I feel like creating a regimen is just so important for me. It helps me keep track and stay on track, because sometimes I may forget about taking care of my hair, taking care of my scalp, and just having that regimen just keeps me accountable. It's such a great decision to create a regimen. And if you are wanting to create your own regimen, I linked the video right there for you guys as well. A lot of tips there, a lot of information that can help you build your own personal regimen. I'm not gonna forget my edges. What I'm gonna do as well, get a little bit of that grease. I could also use oil for this step, but my grease is right here, so I'm just gonna apply just a little bit all over my hair. And just squeeze. I'm not gonna like rake it through, because that's gonna create frizz that I don't want. There's frizz that I want, and then there's frizz that I don't want. Yeah, that's the frizz that I don't want. Just gonna press that in and create a little bit of shine for me. So what hairstyle am I doing today? I have no clue. Hello everyone, today is our first day of our second week. Today is Monday, so y'all already know what's happening. Maybe not, but I'm gonna let y'all know. I am re-moisturizing my hair today, ooh, while they're in the fluffy twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. OMG, this is my hair. Like, the more the fluffy twists get old, the more they look like locks. So I'm gonna refresh my hair with some rosemary water. And this is how my hair looks. We are almost a week with this hairstyle. So I'm gonna go in with the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. Just apply that everywhere. My last step is going to be oiling my scalp and my hair. And as you guys noticed, I did the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, then oil. That's how I keep my type 4 hair moisturized for many days. Gonna warm that up in my hands, pat that on. Now I'm just gonna section my hair and just squeeze that oil in here. And I will have to say, since my wash day, I have not experienced itching this entire time. This rosemary challenge, I know it was something that I really needed for my scalp, and I'm so happy. Oh man, I'm so like happy for myself that I decided to do this. So now that I am done with that, I think I want to grease my scalp again. I don't feel like I need to, so I'm not gonna do too much because my scalp is not itchy, but at the same time I don't want to wait for my scalp to be itchy before I put grease. I'm just gonna part my hair and just add a little bit of that to my scalp in every section, just to set myself up for a great week. And just like that, I'm done. And it didn't even take me 15 minutes to do. this is like a 5-minute process. So I will see you guys on Wednesday throughout the week to show you guys what else I do for my hair. So I'll see you soon. Hey people, today is Wednesday and we are doing a little bit of scalp care today. I'm going to be oiling my scalp with my rosemary oil and styling my hair as well. We're gonna be doing 2 little puff buns, and yes, let's get into it. What I just did was spray down my hair with my rosemary water. For today, I really wanted to focus on my roots, make sure I get that rosemary water on my roots. I really admire this fluffy mini twist hairstyle. It's aging beautifully. I love the thickness of the twist. I love the frizz that I'm getting from it as well. Like, it looks so good. Throughout the week, whenever I get chance, I like to give myself a scalp massage, make sure I am increasing that blood flow, because this is gonna help me at the end. You may not see the benefits of all these things right now, but one thing is that over time we'll begin to reap the benefits of all that we are doing now. I feel like this style is also really smart with me doing this challenge, because I'm in my hair like almost every other day, and when you're in your hair like this, your hair is bound to get frizzy, and with this hairstyle, frizz just adds to the character of the style. Obviously, this is like my favorite style. I feel like it just fits so well with my head shape. It's backwards. I think I like this one better. Let me do it again. Yay. So I want to quickly pop in and talk to you guys about how these 2 weeks have been for me. Actually, it's been 3 weeks. Today I actually just took them down. I'm getting ready to put my birthday hair in. My birthday's tomorrow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna record my style for you guys, so you guys will see which hairstyle I'm doing for my birthday. Hence why I took my hair down, and I'm gonna wash it, blow dry it, and prepare myself for that. So regardless of that, these 2 weeks have taught me a couple things. So let's go ahead and talk about the shedding that I get. So it's been 3 weeks and I only have gotten this much shedding. Compared to my last video, I showed you guys the shedding that I got was so much, but 3 weeks and it's just this. I'm gonna take it. I'll take this. I'll take this. That just shows me that rosemary was a great choice. Also, my itching has stopped. I don't really experience itching anymore. Rosemary, so good. But I would say one thing that I would change, one thing that I'm going to change, is that I am not going to put the rosemary water in my hair every single day. Especially the fact that it's been 102 degrees, 105, 110 degrees here in Texas. Like, what's going on? I noticed that my hair would be a little bit more dry. What I'm going to be putting in my regimen is spritzing rosemary water in my hair, let's say every 3 to 4 days. And in between those days, so I can have a balance, I'm gonna be spritzing aloe vera juice in my hair. So the days that I'm not putting rosemary water into my hair, I'm gonna be putting aloe vera juice to kind of balance that. It just makes sense to me. So I'm just gonna try that for the next couple of weeks as well, and then give you guys an update on that. That's the thing about regimens, like I said in the beginning, like it may not stay the same. You try and you see what works for you, you see what doesn't work for you. That's just how it works. So we are finding our groove, we are finding our momentum. I can see so much progress with my hair so far. The thickness, the growth, the fact that I can visibly see that I've been able to retain length, and I'm so glad that I'm able to share my natural hair journey with you guys. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post a new video. I really want you guys to join me on my journey here on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys very, very soon. I love you all and have a blessed one, okay? Peace.